Hi everybody, I'm back! I'm so excited to share this video with you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prep the nails perfectly with only 3 nail bits. So the most essential step in any nail service that you're doing is nail prep. Like that is the most important part because in order for your products to last, in order for your gel polish not chip or your acrylic to not lift, you really need to make sure that the natural nail is prepped properly. So I have 3 bits that I use for every single client, for every single service, whether it's for hands or for toes. And the first bit that I use is a sanding band. I like to use a medium grit sanding band, and I love the sanding band so much because I feel like it just does so much like of the work that I just have to file the nail just like a couple times, and it removes a majority of like dead skin, cuticle, things like that. Not only that, but I can also exfoliate the surrounding skin around her finger or on her fingertips. So right here I have a slow down real-time clip of me using the sanding band on my clients, and if you can see, her nails look so much more clean with just me using the sanding band alone. I also want to add in that my sanding bands or the speed on my e-file when I use a sanding band is very low, very slow speed. You do not need to have a fast speed here. When you're working on natural nails, you do not want to be aggressive. The second bit that I always use is this really small, I like to call it like a diamond cylinder bit because it does have a cylinder shape. It has a flat top, and it has a grit on that flat top as well. So when I'm working around the cuticle area, it's also removing the dead skin and exfoliating like that cuticle area right there. And this bit allows me to, another real-time clip. This bit allows me to get into the cuticle area and the sidewalls and clean those areas and exfoliate, remove dead skin a lot better and in more detail than I could with the sanding band. So yes, this is the second bit that I use that I use all the time, and I love it so much. And then in this step, I'll just go ahead and use my cuticle nippers to just remove any dead skin, tissue, things like that, cuticle that's sticking up on the nails. And the third bit that I use is this diamond ball bit, and I use this bit to further exfoliate the cuticle area and the fingertip of my client's nails. I also feel like this bit really just like speaks for itself. If you just watch the clip and watch the areas that I'm going over with this bit it just cleans the natural nail so well, and it just makes it look so perfect, like to the point where you probably don't even, well, I think she doesn't even need polish at this point. She could just do a clear coat and be totally fine, but of course she's here for a gel manicure, so we're gonna add some color. At this stage, I put my e-file away. My nails here are perfectly prepped with those 3 nail bits that I used. So now I'm gonna move on to product application, and the first product that I'm gonna apply is primer. And so after we get our, even coat of primer on the nails, I'm gonna go in with this base coat here, and this base coat, I love it so much. When I use this ever since I started using this for my gel manicures, my clients' nails just last so long, and their nails are so sturdy. This is truly an amazing product. I've only been able to find it at my local beauty supply store, but it's a pink bottle, it's square shaped, and it's called Sophie Art on the the label says Sophie Art on it. So if you can find that, I definitely recommend this product. It's a thicker base coat, so that's why I think it lasts so long, and it helps with the structure of your natural nails. I actually do 2 layers of this base coat. So the first layer I'll cure the nails, and then I'll go in with a second layer of base coat. The first layer I do pretty thin, and then the second layer I'll add a little bit more just so I have, some extra strength there once the polish cures. And moving on to our color, my client wanted a light, neutral, natural looking pink. I got this brand from AliExpress, and it comes in a pack of 6, so it comes in a bunch of different nudes and pinks. So I'm not sure what this brand is called. I got it a while ago, but it comes in a 15 milliliter bottle, and which is the average amount for a nail polish. And yeah, it's just so pretty. It's such a pretty pink. And then as you can see here, I'm tilting her nail down so that when I add the polish to her nail, it flows down, and that way the polish won't flood the cuticle, and it allows me to have a more neat application and not have to clean up her nails so much, on the skin. And then with that second coat, you can really see the color come to life. Even the first coat looked really pretty too, and I think you can get away with just 1 coat of this polish, but adding the second coat is just bam, perfect, the perfect pink almost, This color of mine is in high demand, but again, pointing her nails down so that the polish naturally flows down the nail and it doesn't flood the cuticle area, and allows you to apply the polish a bit more neat. In the final stages of the gel manicure, I'm going to apply my no wipe top coat. This is the brand Gelixir. It's a very affordable brand. You can find it at your local nail supply store. I like it a lot. I use it for my clients all the time, and I don't have any issues with it. I love it. I recommend it. After that, I don't have the clip here, but I'll probably just file underneath her nails, just make sure her nails are nice and shaped the way you want it to be, and then I'll add my cuticle oil. And we have our final result here. I think these nails speak for themselves. I don't have to say much for the ending here, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!